I usually don't do this, but I'm going to try to make a guide for you on how you fix this specific problem that I had with my dual PC streaming setup. So I'm going to try to explain this as easy as possible. I have one PC here, one PC here, and a PS5 down here. So let's make this one blue. Then I also have 3 monitors. Let's make these red for the sake of this video. 1, 2, and 3 monitors. This PC is connected to this monitor, the monitor that you are seeing right now, that I'm painting on paint on right now. And this PC is connected to this monitor, and it is also connected to this monitor via a capture card. So to the capture card, and then back up to this monitor right here, like this. And then this capture card right here is connected to this PC so that it can pick it up and I can record what's happening on this PC I also have a microphone that is connected to this PC that outputs sound via the capture card to this PC. Now, yesterday I bought a new capture card here for my PS5. So I connected this capture card to my main monitor and also via the USB to my streaming PC. So the problem I had was that my microphone, the sound from my microphone, so my voice, got output in wavelength right here, both on this line and on the gray line. So this capture card right here, both of these output my voice. So I was like, how does this even happen? I'm going to show you what it looks like in wavelength. So here we have new wavelength up. And if I go into here and press don't allow this again, now you'll hear my voice double. Because as you can see, my voice get picked up both on the Elgato 4Ks, which is connected to my PS5. You can hear the PS5 sound in the background. And my game capture HD60 X picks up my microphone from my second PC. So basically how you fix this is if you come down to settings down here, press the settings or the sound sliders right here, select sound output, and then more volume settings. This will bring you into system sound, so you can go through that route as well. You press system and then press sound, then you scroll down all the way to all sound devices. Now in here, most probably you will have, like me, that you have 2 Elgato 4Ks sound outputs. See, I have 2 of them. I only have one of the HD60 X, but I have 2 4Ks outputs. Now, if I go into the one that is my default sound device, so this one right here, if I go into this one, it's not set as default. But if I go into the other one, it is set as default, and I'm currently allowing apps and Windows to use this device for audio. If I press don't allow on this one, I think it messes up the routing. So the system doesn't know how to route it. So it routes it both. It picks up both the HD60 X and the 4Ks. So if I press don't allow here, like this, you will hear double in wavelength. You can see both of these moving. But if I allow this one, it understands that this is a separate device and it should not pick up the microphone on this device because it should only pick up the PS5 sound. So it fixes the routing. So if you have 2 capture cards put into one PC, make sure that you go into these settings and allow, if you have 2 of one of them, allow the default one to be used by apps and Windows. Now, I think this is such a rare problem that I probably won't get any views on this video, but if it helped you out, make sure to like the video, leave a comment. And if you want to check out our main channel, go to Gorillas Games. If you're into ARPG, RPG games, go there, check it out. And I'll see you guys. Peace.